Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Movers Report for September 12th, 2011. First we're taking a look here at BBVA, gapping down this morning. Last was at 716. Could open between the 7 and 720 area. We're going to look to take this short today. I'm going to wait for the open and see if we can get a break to a new low. Look for higher than average volume. Start with half position, see if we get a weak bounce or a lower high bounce. Add your second half. First profit target is going to be 7 cents from your average entry. Second profit target is going to be about 14 cents. And then I would just trail the stop down to the 660 to 650 area. Watch it around here for a bounce, some support. Next we have NU. Last is at this 37.39, so right up here. I'm going to look to short this back into this gap. So look for it to sell off on the open. Start with half position. See if we can get a weak bounce or a lower high. Add your second half. First profit target is going to be about 37 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 74 cents. Watch it at 37, 36, and 35. Going to have some good support here around 35. I would just trail your stop down, take your pieces off for your trade, and then see if you can come down at 35. I think we should get some selling in this today. Now if it opens down below 36, I would be a little bit more careful about taking this short, taking that much money out of the trade. You know, you might take a small position thinking that you could come down into 35 possibly, but I'd be very cautious on this below 36. You know, below 35.50 I would just pass. Next we have VSH gapping down. Last is at 953, so right about here. Breaking down below the resistance level of 10. This is very weak. Going to look to take this short. Could give a bounce off the open, so just wait for it. I would set my alert at the open if you do get a bounce. See if you can break to a new low of the day. Might be later in the morning, could be in the afternoon. Take it short at that point. First profit target is going to be about 9 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 18 cents. And then I would trail the stop down into this 9 area. Should find some support around 9. Now we're looking at DANG, D-A-N-G. Last is at 668 right there. Breaking down below support level at 680. This is looking pretty weak. Going to look to take this short. First profit target is going to be about 6 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 12 cents. Watch it here at the 650 area right there. And then at 6. Should have a pretty good bounce off 6. If we do sell down into 6, you could consider a long position off of 6 on a bounce. Could get 2 to 3, maybe even 4% off a bounce of 6. Next we have CAVM. Gapping up this morning. Looking for a breakout over this 33.50 area. I would take it long over 33.55. First profit target is going to be about 33.91. Watch it at 34. See if it can push through. Next profit target is going to be 34.30. So we're at 29 right there. Take another piece off, and then I would trail a stop up into 35. Now if we gap up and open up over 34, I would probably pass on this trade. I want it to open between this 33.50 to 33 area. And next we have GA. Big gap down this morning. Last is at 490. Could open between this 490 and 520 area possibly. Going to look to take this long. Going to look for some value buyers just to pick this up. Take it long back up into this gap. First profit target is going to be about 5 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 10 cents. Be patient with this. I think we could move up into 6, possibly 650 area. So that's some pretty good profit right in here. So take off, instead of take off half, try taking off maybe a quarter of your position at about 5 to 6 cents. Try to get another 5 to 6 cents, take another quarter, and leave a half to push up into the 6 and possibly 650 area. I would just trail a stop on your second half of your trade. And then as you get into these areas of resistance, try to peel a little bit off. So I do think there's more money in this trade, and you can be a little bit more patient with it. Once you get ahead on it, go ahead and move up your stop to break even. And then I would just come back and check on this as it continues to trend up. And lastly, we have ALV gapping down. Last is at 48.11. Support's at 48. It's actually gapping down into a pretty strong support level. We're going to look to take this long on a new high of the day off the open. First profit target is going to be about 48 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 96 cents. Watch it here at 49. It's going to have some resistance. And then coming up into 50. So these are the two areas. Watch it at 50. Could fail. I would get tight on my stop after I take profit, maybe on a quarter, and leave a last quarter of your trade here coming into 50. And then move up your stop to see if you can break through 50 and up into 51 area right here. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.